Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Magnet Marbles is probably one of the most fascinating and versatile toys available today, offering a unique blend of educational value and pure entertainment for all ages. These aren't your average marbles, they're infused with powerful magnetic properties that allow them to attract, repel, and interact in ways that spark curiosity and creativity. Whether you're looking for a way to engage young minds in STEM concepts like magnetism and physics, or simply seeking a captivating pastime that provides hours of fun, these magnetic marvels are sure to impress with their endless possibilities for play and experimentation. Number 5. PicassoTiles 100-piece Marble Run Magnetic Tiles. Turn playtime into hands-on STEM exploration. Build gravity-powered mazes with slopes and U-turns for real physics and problem-solving fun. Made from BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this set is certified and tested for safety. Every piece is safe for everyday play. These magnetic tiles are compatible with other sets. Kids can combine collections and expand their creations. Designed for ages 3 and up, this set supports hand-eye coordination and spatial reasoning. It encourages fine motor skills through open-ended play. This set includes 100 pieces of magnetic tiles, funnels, slopes, and steel marbles. It's ideal for home, preschool, or classroom STEM play. What we like. This set offers a fantastic introduction to STEM concepts through engaging marble run construction. Its safety features and compatibility with other sets make it a great choice for families looking for educational and expandable play. If you have younger children or are starting your collection, this is an excellent option to consider. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the marbles together well. The marbles are smooth and have a nice weight to them. It's a fun and educational toy that can be used for various activities. Number 4. PicassoTiles 70-piece Magnetic Marble Run. Introducing the PicassoTiles 70-piece Magnetic Marble Run, a fun and engaging STEM toy for ages 3 and up. It includes everything you need for exciting marble racing adventures. Turn building into a hands-on lesson in physics. As kids design colorful routes, they'll learn about gravity, motion, and cause and effect as they watch every ball race to the finish. These sturdy tiles, clear tubes, and connecting pieces are built for repeated setup and active play. They ensure this toy stays engaging through endless new configurations. With 70 components, you can rearrange them into winding paths, drops, turns, and multi-level courses. This encourages independent experimentation and collaborative challenges. Designed for ages 3+, this toy supports hand-eye coordination, spatial reasoning, and problem-solving. Children will plan, test, and refine each route as they play. This set includes magnetic building pieces, transparent track tubes, connectors, and rolling balls. It's perfect for creative construction at home, preschool, or in the classroom. What we like. This option focuses on the joy of rebuilding and experimenting with different track configurations. Its durable design ensures long-lasting play, making it ideal for active children who love to constantly innovate. If you're looking for a set that encourages repeated creative challenges and independent experimentation, this is the one for you. What people say. The magnets are strong and the marbles are smooth. Great for educational purposes, kids learn about magnetism. The marbles are a good size, easy to handle for small hands. Number 3. National Geographic Magnetic Marble Run STEM Building Set. Introducing the National Geographic Magnetic Marble Run, a revolutionary STEM building set designed for endless fun and learning. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. This patented magnetic marble racetrack is a proven hit, having been the most backed Kickstarter magnetic super puzzle ever. Each piece offers unique properties to customize your track. Unleash your creativity with infinite building possibilities. This set includes numerous tracks, connectors, and trick pieces for endless fun and imaginative construction. Take your building anywhere. These magnetic pieces can be attached to any vertical magnetic surface, like your fridge or whiteboard, making construction versatile and exciting. Building is a breeze with secure snap-fit connectors that reduce frustration. Detailed instructions and a learning guide will teach you about physics and engineering principles. From Blue Marble, an award-winning company, this toy is designed to foster education, imagination, and creativity. Enjoy a stellar experience with dedicated US support. What we like. This set stands out with its ability to be built on any magnetic surface, offering unparalleled versatility. The inclusion of unique trick pieces adds an extra layer of excitement and challenge to the builds. If you have limited floor space or enjoy building on vertical surfaces like refrigerators or whiteboards, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The magnets are strong and the marbles are smooth. Great for building and creating different structures. The set comes with a good variety of shapes and sizes. Number 2. Meland 132 PCS Marble Run Building Toy. Get ready for endless fun with the brand new Meland Marble Run set. It's packed with translucent pieces and special glow-in-the-dark marbles for exciting adventures. With 102 translucent building pieces and 30 marbles, including 10 that glow in the dark, the possibilities are limitless. Create unique marble tracks again and again. This toy is designed to boost creativity, patience, and problem-solving skills. It's a fantastic way to encourage STEM learning and develop concentration. Made from child-friendly ABS material with smooth edges, it ensures safety for little hands. Keep your children entertained for hours while you enjoy some free time. Build taller and bigger marble runs together. This unisex toy is perfect for parent-child bonding, fostering a stronger relationship through collaborative play. Watch the marbles race through the translucent tracks from top to bottom. With multiple tower bases, you can construct even more impressive and stable marble runs. What we like. The standout feature here is the inclusion of glow-in-the-dark marbles, adding a magical element to playtime, especially in low light. Its translucent pieces allow for a fascinating visual of the marbles in motion, and the ability to build taller structures is a great bonus. If you want to add an extra element of wonder to your marble runs or enjoy seeing the internal workings, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. The marbles are very strong and hold together well. The magnets are powerful and allow for creative building. The set comes with a good variety of shapes and sizes. Number 1. Blue Marble Wooden Magnet Painting Craft Kit. Unleash your creativity with this all-inclusive craft set. You can design and decorate 15 nature-themed wooden magnets using the included markers. Once you've finished coloring your woodcuts, simply add a self-adhering magnet. Then, proudly display your custom creations on any magnetic surface like your fridge or locker. This fun arts and crafts kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes 15 woodcuts, 15 magnets, glue, and 8 colorful markers for endless imagination. The simple, kid-friendly instructions make it easy to start decorating right away. You can focus on creating without any frustration, enjoying the process from start to finish. From Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award, this product is designed to inspire education, imagination, and creativity. Plus, enjoy stellar support from our US team. What we like. This is a unique craft kit that combines art with magnetic fun, allowing kids to personalize their own magnets. The nature theme provides a creative outlet, and the ability to display their creations on any magnetic surface offers immediate gratification. If you're looking for a hands-on craft activity that results in a displayable item, this is an excellent choice for budding artists. What people say. The marbles are very strong and hold together well. The magnets are powerful and allow for creative building. The set comes with a good variety of shapes and sizes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.